This training episode will be a very high-level introduction into using Chatter on the RTSP package. So what is Chatter? Well, it's a Salesforce application that lets your users have conversations and relate those to specific records. So I guess you're asking, why is this important in relationship to existing communication tools like email, phone calls, and text messages? For this example, we have two colleagues which are having a conversation regarding a service application by email. The conversation is extended to a third colleague, and thereby the email is forwarded to that individual. Now let's take a second and pause here, because it's really interesting to point out that this conversation is occurring about a record on the RTSP package, but yet the real decision is happening outside the package. So why is this problematic? Well, in the off chance one of the colleagues transitions out, the two remaining colleagues are left to document that person's work. So how is this different on Chatter? Well, by having the conversation documented in Chatter related to that record, it ensures the preservation of institutional knowledge. So therefore, regardless of the transition or changes in leadership, Chatter serves as the shelter of the decisions, relationships, and knowledge of those past colleagues. So the goal of this video will be able to show you how to complete your Chatter profile, as well as posting on the general and record specific feeds, and then highlight using the following feature. So here in Salesforce, I'm signed in as my development director, Colin. We're going to scroll to the top right corner and click on the profile circle, and once again on the profile circle icon. From this page, I can update my profile picture, my banner picture, and update my user contact information. Therefore, with a quick few edits, Colin has now updated his profile. Also from this page, I can see what groups I'm following, who and what I'm following, and who's following me. Now, to view your general feed, you can click on the Chatter tab. Similar to other social media feeds, your general feed will provide you with updates on what your groups and followers are sharing. It also gives you the opportunity to share notes with your followers on your activities. One convenient feature included is the ability to bookmark messages so that you can return to them later to review more thoroughly. Now let's see how Chatter can be helpful when utilized on a specific record feed. You can select the Chatter feed for this record by simply clicking on the Chatter button. From this feed, you can immediately view all the past activity, conversations, and decisions associated with this unique record. Now, while Chatter is not available on all objects, it is typically available on objects that involve collaboration and usually generate discussion. For this example, Colin is going to provide me with a simple update on the status of this specific service application. Now, let's sign off Colin's account, and we can see how this notification appears on my Salesforce user account. So immediately on my Salesforce account, from the home screen, I can see there are a number of notifications waiting for me in the top right corner. By clicking on the notification icon, I can see a preview of my messages. Now, what's really cool about the features for Chatter is the flexibility in documenting my responses to Colin's update. Let's discuss three of these options. The first option is simply responding directly to Colin's comments through Salesforce. Therefore, on the Chatter feed associated with this unique record, let's write, "Great to hear," and that the homeowner will be excited to know his project is a go. The second option is through email. Yes, you heard me correctly. If you are mentioned on a Chatter feed, you'll receive an email notifying you of the user's comments. In that case, by simply replying to this email, it will post your response directly to this feed. This is a great demonstration of ensuring your conversations and decisions are preserved with this unique record. The last option is through the Salesforce One app. Now, if you haven't already downloaded the Salesforce One app, I highly recommend it. I'll provide the links in the description section below for both iOS and Android users. As you can see, I've automatically received a notification alerting me to Colin's comment. All that's left to do is swipe right, and it will automatically take me to the comment where I can record my response. And since everything is in real time, the website is uploaded with my comment as soon as I post it on Salesforce One. The last goal is around using the follow feature. As mentioned earlier, you can follow groups, users, and records. Therefore, wherever you see a plus sign in the word follow, you can follow that item. As you can see, it's simple for me to opt to follow Colin and the John Smith service application just by clicking the follow button. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for future tips and updates on the RTSP platform. Thanks.